So I'm gonna make a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 2. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 1 6 times. So, single crochet, chain 1. So I should have 6 single crochet and 6 chain 1 space, and I'm gonna join into the beginning chain with a slip stitch. So you need to ensure you find the chain 1 spaces, because we're gonna work only in the chain 1 space. So I'm gonna chain 1. So this is a single crochet, and this is the chain 1 space. So in each chain 1 space, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1. So this is my first chain 1 space. So single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1. So in the first chain 1 space, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1. Like this. And I'm gonna do the same in every chain 1 space. I should have 12 single crochet with 12 chain 1 spaces. And here at the end of the round, I'm gonna slip stitch into the chain 1 space. Okay. So in order to keep the circle round and flat, what I'm gonna do now, the next row I'm gonna chain 1, and I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 1 in every chain 1 space. So no increase or decrease going on, because we need to keep the shape of the circle. So I'm going to chain one again. Usually the chain one space are smaller loops than the single crochet loops, so that might help you detect which one it is. So single crochet, chain one, into the next space, single crochet, chain one, and in every space. Some spaces might be smaller than the others. And join onto the chain one space. Okay, and it is round again. Now we'll continue with the decrease of two single crochet in a stitch to keep the circle flat. So one round is to keep the shape of the circle, and one round is to make the circle bigger, like the normal flat circle you do. So I'm gonna chain one. Now into the first chain one space, I'm gonna make one single crochet, chain one single crochet, chain one. In the next space, I'm gonna make one single crochet, chain one, and I will repeat in one space, one single crochet, chain one single crochet, chain one, and the next space, one single crochet, chain one. And this is the last stitch of this round. One single crochet, chain one, and join to the first chain one space. So again the next round will be 1 single crochet round and chain 1 space. So I'm gonna chain 1 and start 1 single crochet, chain 1 in every single space, again to keep the circle shape. So it's the same as the second round, sorry, the third round. And again I'm at the end of the round. After the chain 1 space, I will join to the chain, initial chain 1 with a slip stitch. Again we'll do a decrease in this round. So this time in the first chain 1 space I'm gonna make double single crochet, double chain 1 space, means 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, all in the same space. In the next 2 spaces this time I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 1 in the next 2 spaces. So we're increasing the number of 1 single crochet in a chain 1 space by 1 from the round before this one, exactly like when you do a flat circle. So chain 1, this is my first chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, all in 1 space. In the next space, single crochet, chain 1. In the next space, single crochet, chain 1. Now we repeat single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, all in the same space. And in the next 2 spaces, 1 single crochet, chain 1. That's what you need to do throughout this round. And here I'm at the end of the round, and I should end the round with 1 single crochet, chain 1, and join to the first chain 1 space with a slip stitch. So basically what you need to remember in a moss stitch, to keep the shape of the circle, between every round of decrease of the 2 single crochet, you make 1 round of single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and then in the decrease, every round of the decrease, you increase the single crochet, the 1 single crochet stitch, chain 1 in a space by 1. So in this round it was 1 single crochet, chain 1 in the next 2 spaces. The round after the next one will be 1 single crochet, chain 1 in the next 3 spaces, and repeat. I hope it is clear. And this is how you achieve the moss stitch round circle. The only difference between a normal flat circle and the moss stitch circle is the round of single crochet in between the decreases, just to keep the circle round in shape. So until next time, take care, bye bye.